Okay, so the first thing to do is to jack your vehicle up safely, making sure that you have axle stands properly, all your safety features, and then we can continue. Borrowed a tool from a friend of mine at work, so let's just see how we go on here now. Brilliant, got that out. Really easy as well, incredible. Well, these aren't as bad as I thought, however. Yeah, I've been on there for quite some time. Car's now on 200,000 miles, and thought, yeah, you know what, we'll get them changed. This is the new suspension damper or shock absorber that we're going to be putting back on the car. Really important when you put your shock back on that this nut is tightened right then. Yeah, this is a really important part because you can try and twist this around, but it will just move everything around. So what you need to do is just get your 13mm, because there's still a little bit of play in there, you see. So you want to get your 13mm spanner on there, and then get your adjustable on the it's like a internal bar that goes through the damper. Just get that on there and hold that, and then literally just turn. So, I'm trying to keep this on camera for you. So when you have literally tightened this up, you cannot, that will literally not go any further. What I recommend doing is pushing them all the way to the ground. Just to kind of release pressure. Right, So that's good now. That's good to go. That's good to go back on the car. So there's no noise. And that's ready to go back on the car now. So the reverse is the exact opposite. What I do, just get these two 10mm bolts. I'm not going to tighten them up all the way, just in case we need a little adjustment. But we're going to put them in enough to hold everything in place nicely. And then just see where we are on the bottom bolt as well. I don't know if you can see that. But literally that's the hole there. And the bolt is just literally, just nicely, I think it's just lined up. So we're going to have a look at that now. So you want to start winding that in a little bit. I'm not going to put it in with the impact gun, we're literally just going to try and wind it in manually. What we don't want at this point is we don't want to cross any threads or anything. It's really important. Take your time, make sure you've got a nice you can always tell when a bolt is not going in so well. Let's just try and wind this in. Now all we're going to do is, yeah, that's going in there nicely, isn't it? What we're going to do is we are going to, once we get everything nicely tightened up, we'll just put the torque wrench on it, and you're looking at 170 Newton meters. For this bottom bolt, I think the tops, bear in mind they're only 10mm, I think the top bolts are meant to be 30, which is next to nothing, yeah. It's a big relief getting this bottom bolt out. So difficult working on your back underneath a car. Don't have to burn up a lot of energy. As I said before, you know, it's so much easier if you've got a ramp, you can just put your car on. So much easier. Right, okay, that'll do us there for the moment. Right, we're just going to get these two tightened up. And then just try and put them in nice and even. You don't want to put one all the way in and then try and fit the other one. What's that?
I'm going to the post office.
Okay. We're nearly there. 10 mil. Almost in. A few more turns and we'll be good to go, I believe. I could just feel that right hand one there almost tight. So we're literally just going to put that one. That one's good. And then a little nip. And then just check them. 30 Newton meters is, you know, yeah, you don't want to go too mad with it. You don't want anything snapping. They are only 10 mil bolts. Yep, that's good to go. And there we have it. Correction. There we don't have it. There we have it in. So we've got our new damper in place, and now all we need to do is torque up the bottom bolt to 170 Newton meters, and then we'll be good to go. And all I'm going to do is literally can't get enough on it. Right. Okay. Did not want to have to do this, but sometimes you haven't got an option. I need to get 170 on it. So there we are. Right. Just catch my breath a minute. So that's our new damper on. Top and bottom. We're torqued up as well, so we shouldn't have any problems here now. And there's our new spring and snubber, all working nicely. So I'm going to get the right hand side done now, but you don't have to see that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Just wanted to take a moment just to say thank you so much for watching the videos. Your support's really appreciated. A big hello to any new subscribers. Yeah, thanks to everybody for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Just to show you as well, just for reference, this is the rear right hand side. That's all done as well. As much as I didn't want to, I did have to use the impact gun there just to just nip up that bottom bolt. But yeah, all done. Job's a good one.